Myself Nitesh Hoggy, and I carry a 16 years of experience in industry, where I have primarily worked in telecom industry since 2004 and till 2018. I have worked from the first, I would say, kick of a digital era when a SIM-based transaction used to happen between customer and the operator, USSD-based menu structure. So I have been working in the digitalization framework since 2004, and I have worked on a lot of products. During my tenure, I have worked in sales, I have worked in marketing, I have worked in new product development, I have worked in value-added services, I have worked a lot on strategic initiatives for organization. So it's like my experience cuts across all these functional domains within an organization. I have worked with Reliance Communication, Virgin Mobile, Tata Teleservices, Telenor India, Bharti Airtel. And in 2018, I got a chance to work in a new industry, which is an education segment. And I've been, so that was the instance I got associated with Imagine XP. I joined in as a VP sales. Now I'm working here as a Chief Operating Officer for Imagine XP. And we have grew a lot over last 2.5 to 3 years. And I have been primarily responsible for the revenue, spearheading the entire organization, being it sales, marketing, being it university partnerships or a B2C retail segment. And I'm very glad that we have been working progressively in the upward direction despite of whatever hiccups and challenges being thrown. And we have been successfully able to overpass them. And we have a very strong team now. And being in the education sector, faculty is our core strength. We have 65 faculties onboarded, and they are the brand ambassadors for Imagine XP to maintain the academics quality. So we have kick-started our university partnership business since 2018. Primarily prior to that, we have been working in the B2C retail segment, which is short-term certification program. In 2018, we signed up 4 universities, and in 2019, we grew up to 8 universities, and 2020, we grew up to 18 odd universities, and currently we are 22 universities. So having said that, what I mean that initially when we kicked off university degree programs, we were at a we are having around 150 seats to be fulfilled. And then as the university partnerships kept on increasing, and currently we have 4,500 seats in UG and PG programs to be fulfilled. When as an organization you have such a mammoth task or ambition and a vision to be fulfilled, so then you cannot rely upon traditional based systems and processes. So therein when I was looking for CRMs or a similar ecosystem where I can enable my organization, enable my sales team, enable my marketing team, so as to bring in efficiency, improve ARQ like activity, response, quality, and wherein I immediately get a hang of the revenue forecasting for every month or an annual ARR. Then and also the complexity within Imagine XP is that we have 3 to 4 different business verticals, right? So I was looking for a system wherein I can build in all different business verticals which are having different business processes into a single system. And when I came across XtraEdge, and when I interacted with the founder of the XtraEdge, so he showed me the capabilities and the features about XtraEdge CRM and how this CRM was built up, keeping precisely in mind about education industry, being it a university, being it a college, or being it any edtech company. So that's where it clicked me, looking at the various features and capabilities, and I came to know that okay, with this system I will be able to implement all the KPIs, all the I would say things that I had in mind for enabling my internal organization and internal functions, so as to get the maximum efficiency out of them. So that was the primary reason, and that is the differentiator between XtraEdge and other leading CRMs who are more of generic but not directed towards a specific segment like education. Whenever I am putting in any change into the organization, be it any system or a process, right? The right way to do it is to make my team part of that decision making. So when I was going through different CRMs, right? So I ensured that my key stakeholders of various teams became part of that decision making process, and making a collaborative decision. So when we were finalizing Extra Edge, my team members had seen the various CRMs which we were accessing at that time, and they were very much happy looking at the simplicity of the system, and despite of simplicity, covering all the features and the expectations of the sales team and the marketing team. So due to which we did not face or foresee any resistance within the team. And you have already seen that the system and the entire thing has been very proactively imbibed by my counseling team, by my marketing team, and due to which the productivity has already started happening. And with the day on day basis, we are improving the various processes that we have built into the system. The major differentiator that I experienced while deploying the Extra CRM, that it was the go-to market time was very less as compared to other CRMs. Other CRMs which we have interacted in the past takes up to 5 to 6 months of implementation for different business processes which we are working upon. But with Extra Edge, we have been quickly able to implement them, which is the first and the foremost USP that I have seen. And also the system is very much flexible in putting up more technology viable solution as a stack on the existing CRM. So if you want to bring in the dialer made mechanism, so it's available. If I want to bring in I would say automated dialing calling, that is available. If I want to bring in missed call, so any feature that I want to build upon the existing CRM, that is readily available and very much customizable and integratable. So these are the two things which I really admire, and I'm very happy in that on that front. Express CRM is very pocket friendly, considering ourselves as a startup. So that is one of the driver for any decision. And yes, the pricing is very transparent. And before getting into a contract, that was explained completely and very much in detail what is the pricing and how the business model works in terms of CRM deployment. So it's very much clear, and there are no hidden things which I am coming across which had experienced in past. So everything is transparent and put on the table before signing of the contract, and then it's up to the organization whether they want to go ahead for it or not. So I have not experienced any hidden mechanism or any other thing. It's completely transparent. The pandemic came into our life last year, right? So we experienced that challenge from March last year as well. And yes, absolutely, there is a complete change in life in terms of admissions. The parents and the students who wanted to visit the campus or who wanted to meet the counselor face to face, right? So now all those things are not possible. Everything is happening into the online mechanism. All sales are happening over a telephonic sales medium. Yes, it has been a very difficult experience. Earlier, we were using a very vanilla, or I would say a very basic CRM, wherein which there are a lot of problem in terms of the lead flow, visibility, in terms of reporting mechanism. But this year, when we have deliberately deployed XRS CRM, we are able to get real time reportings, analytics. We are able to track the KPIs on a daily basis, which gives management a complete picture how is it happening. And also there are a lot of features available for counselors who are actually using the product on a daily basis. They are very much happy. They are able to maintain their sales pipeline. They are able to see their pipeline, its bifurcation, the opportunities they have created, the contacts they have created. So definitely the CRM is helping us a lot. And also the CRM gives a predictive sales analysis as well. And very soon, as you said, we are going to get a power reporting system as well, which will give us a lot of predictive analysis, so that then it will further enhance our sales pipeline and our decision making power, and we will be looking forward to that. Yes, definitely. It's user friendly features like real time video counseling feature with the student on through XIS CRM, or sending out a real time connection of the counselor with the student on a WhatsApp service, and a real time dialer integration, real time missed call integration within the CRM. So all these features are looks small, but when they are integrated into a single system, the entire ecosystem becomes very very powerful. So which we are happy, and we are foreseeing the results of that. It's that for a salesperson, a lead coming into the system till it gets closed, right, the entire visibility is available to the counselor without any breaks, and the entire funnel categorization bifurcation is available to the counselors, so due to which they are able to maximize their efficiency. Now with the automatic dialing also, a lot of time which used to get wasted in dialing the number on through their devices, etc., now it's all going away, which is leading to uh, save time saving, which is like a value for money for an organization. So yes, it's very good, and we are moving into the right direction with the extra CRM, and we are very hopeful as well that many more features will be getting built into the system to make it at par with the more established players into the market, and I am very much confident about it. So in terms of support system, I would say it's good, and the team is very receptive and very open to hear out the challenges and the problem being faced, or what kind of a further enhancement that can happen onto the existing product. So the Textiles team is very very open, transparent, and very flexible into that. So I would say if organization is from education sector, then I would definitely say that extra CRM should be the first choice to go ahead with, and as the company will save a lot of in terms of go to market, as well as save on the customization cost which are being charged by other CRM providers. And also and the team and the founders are really good and supportive, and they will go all the way out to ensure the customer success happens within the right frame of time and with the right set of people.